Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. For today's video, I am going to be filming this summer clean with me. My house was literally flipped upside down. My husband was off of work, and when him and my daughter are together, it's like two mini tornadoes just happened to go through my house. So the entire week that he's off from work, I do not do much around the house. Definitely not a deep clean. I just pick up here and there, so throughout the week it like accumulated a lot of mess and I just hadn't picked up. I had been super busy and today was my day off from the gym. As you guys know, if y'all are subscribed to me, I did recently start going to the gym and I actually hurt my back. So I had the day off today, but I will be back on Monday. So I decided to do something about being active, at least at the house. So I decided to clean the entire house. I didn't film my bedroom or Grecia's just because, I don't know, I thought the living room and the kitchen was more than enough. So if you guys like these kind of videos and want to see more, then give this video a big thumbs up. Also, do not mind my little person who is walking around in undies. She is at that age where she just doesn't like wearing shorts, and it is super hot outside. It's over 105 degrees here in South Texas every single day, so I don't blame her. So please excuse her and enjoy watching me clean up my house. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.